Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Dell laptop. So let's get started. First, start by opening your start menu and select device manager. Now here look for the network adapter option, and if it is check if your Wi-Fi adapter is listed. If it is disabled, right click and select enable. If you don't see it, go to action menu, or you can also give a right click and select scan for hardware changes. Now right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and choose update driver. Also make sure that your aeroplane mode is turned off and Wi-Fi switch or key on your laptop is enabled. Finally, you have to just restart your PC, and that's it. You will see that you have fixed it Wi-Fi not showing on your laptop. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.